We've been printing almost all the components we have in the bike. We have our own in-house facilities to 3D print any prototypes we need, and this led to printing almost all the bike at some point. Stark started as a great idea from our CEO and CTO. They wanted to bring a fun product to the market, which is electric bike that is outperforming combustion bikes. Most of the components of our bike have been developed for us, for our specific bike, and this is because we needed to push the boundaries. Additive manufacturing was always a tool for Stark to do fast development, do fast prototyping, and it's been always there since the very beginning, and it's just a really helpful tool for us to move farther and at a fast pace. We use 3D printing for different reasons. We do jigs and tooling for research development, but also for our production line. We use also 3D printing for prototyping what is to come, and it's also a tool we use for trying new concepts, new things we may wanna bring to the market at some point. The main advantage we have by having our own additive manufacturing facilities is to be able to innovate faster. But what if we don't have 3D printing? There's many other manufacturing technologies that are more efficient or more suitable for specific applications. So if I go back and I need to prototype everything without 3D printing, I would probably do CNC machining or other methods, but for instance some tooling that it's being 3D printed instead of CNC machined, and this brought down all the lead time and the cost dramatically. One of the big challenges I had the last year was bringing the handguards to life. It's a component that it's always heated by branches, by rocks, by any other things you can find in the mountains, and this means we broke a lot of them. 3D printing is not the most resistant, but we needed to find a way, right? So I've started developing polypropylene to be printed on Bambu Lab printers, and we did a lot of iterations, different materials, we tested them, and we find a good way of printing things that won't break. And these were assembled on our bikes, sent to the track, sent to the mountains, and they were working fine. My goal, and also it's a shared goal with our CEO and CTO, is to bring additive manufacturing to the next level, bring it to production. Have this manufacturing facilities at Stark. We have a metal 3D printer, which we believe will be the future. 3D printing is there for us, and it's something that we can always use for prototyping, but why we don't bring it to production? This was our question, but when you want to really push and get a high productivity, you need to optimize the design. There's really a mindset on how to design for additive manufacturing. Our engineers are capable to do so, and we optimize the design at a certain level where we can really push the productivity and still get great results. And we had to push and push and push to get a solution where we can mass produce components in a good way and we can bring it to the market. We are manufacturing more than 600 footpegs every week, and this is led by 2 people, so we expect we can even push farther and get more machines that we can increase our capacities. It's not about just 3D printing anything, it's about making or designing things for 3D printing.